Raptors. Get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors. The name Velociraptor means swift thief. Not only are they fast, their bite is a nationally recognized team of more than 40 specialized veterinarians, as well as our elite team of over 25 scientists spanning every aspect of our and applied to engineering is constantly focused on the health and well-being for our dinosaurs. We have painstakingly leveraged our existing and growing knowledge of avian and reptile biology, developing the foundations of this groundbreaking paleo-veterinary science that was designed and developed right here in order to formulate a complex game plan, properly care for and maintain these magnificent animals. And now, you can take advantage of the opportunity that this provides to see these raptors in thrilling close proximity. Let's prepare for your ultimate raptor close encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which raptor is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to this place. You remember that number, symbol, or card to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink before placing it in the locker. When you return, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers. So hold on to your ticket.
Look guys, I just got off the Velocicoaster roller coaster. That thing is amazing. That is hands down the best roller coaster I've ever ridden. It is unbelievable. It's well worth the wait. Had an hour wait. Got here in the park early. They weren't even checking IDs once you come in. Usually they check your annual pass. But you do have to go through a metal detector, so you cannot get a camera or a cell phone on the ride. You have to put it in the locker. But it's absolutely amazing. If you can hear those screams, believe me, every coaster that goes by has them, because you are flying out of that seat for the whole ride. It's fantastic. Can't wait to upload this one. Later, guys. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys, is I got on the Harry Potter ride today, and for the first time, they've got the single rider line open. So it was zero wait. I mean, I just walked right on, and it was supposed to be a 20-minute wait. So that's something that hasn't been open since I started coming back here. So single rider lines were open, at least for the Harry Potter ride this morning. All right, out. the big screen come out. They got the NFL highlights on right now. It's going to be fun to catch a game out here once the season starts. This is City Walk. Entrance to Islands of Adventure. I can't say enough good things about that Velocicoaster. That is an experience.
So it's not so long?